The I-team has obtained records tonight that reveal in early 2019 the FBI was investigating whether Jason Van Dyke violated Laquan McDonald's civil rights when he killed the Chicago teenager in a police operation. But that federal investigation was to end in mid-2019. There were no federal charges, and tonight still nothing to suggest there will be. January 18, 2019, former CPD officer Jason Van Dyke is sentenced in Cook County Court to 6 3/4 years in federal prison for murdering Laquan McDonald. Van Dyke notoriously firing 16 shots, killing the teenager who was carrying a knife. According to this federal court record, 4 days later, filed on January 22nd, the government confirms that a civil rights investigation of Van Dyke is underway. So even though Van Dyke had been convicted of second-degree murder in state court, the U.S. Justice Department at that time was looking into whether he also violated McDonald's civil rights. Prosecutors stating in early 2019 the government anticipates that the investigation will continue for at least approximately another 6 months. The civil rights investigation of this shooting by Van Dyke was still active, with FBI officials requesting search warrants for access to the social media accounts of witnesses to the incident. But 6 months later, the summer of 2019, there were no civil rights charges announced. And to this day, with Van Dyke already out of state prison on the murder conviction, no federal charges have been brought.
Every day that passes makes it even less likely.
Former federal prosecutor and ABC7 legal analyst Gil Sofer tonight acknowledges new protests, community demands for charges, and political pressure, all coming down on a new attorney general and administration in Washington. But Sofer says charges seem unlikely.
Cases rarely get better with time. They usually get worse. There's no reason to think that something new has turned up that would now prompt the DOJ to prosecute when it appears over these many years they decided not to.
Sofer notes that Chicago U.S. Attorney John Lausch is the Van Dyke decision maker. Prospective prosecutions land on his desk, and as the top federal attorney here, a civil rights case would be in Lausch's hands. Most notable is this: Lausch was also the U.S. Attorney in 2019 during that first civil rights investigation, and a decision at that time not to charge Van Dyke.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.